Hi again, it's Paul and
Jitima from Naturally Wandering.
thank you for joining us for this week's episode. And in this week we're heading off to Dometic. We've had some issues with our fridge. For those watching, you would have seen that, but we're finally going to get it fixed up. While we're waiting, sort of a day-long thing, we explored Ikea at Springvale, which is really interesting. We'll show you that. We hadn't been to an Ikea for probably 12, 13 years.
Long time ago.
So it's a really big store, so that was fun. And then after that, we headed off to down to the Mornington Peninsula. What a beautiful part of the earth. We're down there for a couple of days, so come with us. Let's go. Hi, it's Paul from Naturally Wandering. What I'd like to do is tell you about the most exciting event for 2026. It's the Victorian Caravan and Camping Super Show. It's at Melbourne Showgrounds between the 18th and the 22nd of February. I'm going to tell you how you can get there. Now, being the biggest caravan and camping super show, there's so much to do at this show for everybody. Now, there's 215 exhibitors, which is just incredible. Also, too, so whether you're looking at going camping or caravanning for the first time, there'll be something there for you. There's equipment. All the brands there will have their 2026 models there. So what a great event to come along. You don't want to miss it. And don't forget to go to the website and enter NW15 and you'll get your adult tickets for $15. So quite a saving there. And also kids under 15 are free. We'll see you there. We'll be at the show and we look forward to seeing you there as well.
We are in Ikea. What the branch is this?
Springvale.
Springvale. Really big Ikea. Huge. Yeah. Look at that. Have so many sitting area.
Got a bit of bricky. We dropped the van off at Dometic to either fix the fridge or replace one or the other. But in the meantime, while we're doing that, we're going to sit here, eat and explore in Ikea.
Oh, no.
You have to screw anything. Push it up. No screw hole.
Fantastic.
Yeah, that's the light, that's the length.
Oh, wow.
Now it's same angle as this one. Spider web. Okay. Looking good.
Well, this week's been quite exciting for us because a lot of our new merch has arrived. So, a couple of weeks back, we showed you the t-shirts and also to the Naturally Wandering mugs, great for coffee, tea, or anything there. And this week, what's come in is our caps, our Naturally Wandering caps. And honey, if you can show the cap at the back, we've got, you can adjust it so the caps come in. One size fits all, so you can adjust it to the
back
size of your head, which is really good.
Yeah, on the website it's called Dad's Cap.
This is Dad's cap, and the other cap we have available, it's called the trucker's cap. You can see there the trucker's cap, so it's a bit of a different shape. The air gets in there. You can get those in different colours. And then one thing we like around the caravan, we've actually ordered another one. is a little pillow. You can never have enough pillows around when you're sitting in caravans or on your bed. This is the naturally wandering pillow, and what's really cool about this is it's got a zipper on the bottom, so if it gets dirty you can take it off and wash it.
Wash it in the
Again,
washing machine?
yeah, absolutely. And one more thing there for Chidama to show you.
It's a good size bag, so we can sit like this, and we have lining in there. Look at this. Yeah, it's good quality. Got the lining in there and quite thick.
Put your keys, phone, wallet, whatever in there.
Yeah, it's got the, you can put a lot of things in there.
Yeah.
And it's really easy to adjust and then put around your shoulder.
Fantastic. And with the t-shirts, you've seen the blue ones, you can actually also get the naturally wandering t-shirt in black. You can get it in quite a lot of other colours. There's the back, so you can see it's quite different than the blue. You got black on white. A lot of people like black, so
yeah, colour of your choice.
Colour of your choice. So lots there. And how to find that is to purchase the merch. We just put up on the screen there how you order it from our website. We're on the final course now. It's coconut ice cream and it's just delicious.
Oh, yummy.
Sliding since I don't remember when, in and out of consciousness, while others might be stressing out, we rely on our facade to help us out.
Thank you for joining us this week's episode.
Next week's episode is going to be really exciting. We're going to be at the 2026 Victorian Caravan and Camping Super Show. It's the biggest caravan show ever. There's going to be 215 exhibitors. There's going to be something for everybody there, for people camping, equipment, looking at caravans or campers for the first time, and those very experienced campers looking for next model up. As caravans, you're always looking for the next caravan you're going to get. So come along, you see us, say hi. We'll be there most days. Looking forward to it. We'll catch you all there at the show.
Yeah, it's going to be exciting.
Yeah, amazing.
So life is different than we imagined it would be. We're not the first, we're not the last. While others may be restless too, we were always far ahead.